Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Eat. Today we are making Choco Bar Ice Cream. Let's begin. We are taking 3 cups of full fat milk. Turn on the flame at low medium heat and bring the milk to boiling point. The moment it starts boiling, add 2 tablespoons of powdered milk. Stir it a little bit and then add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now keep stirring it for about half a minute in order to dissolve the sugar, and then turn the flame from low medium to low heat and let the milk cook until it remains half of its quantity. In the meantime, we will make the corn flour mixture. To make corn flour mixture, we are taking half a cup of milk, again full fat milk, and then add 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Give it a good stir to ensure the flour is completely mixed into the milk. As you can see, the milk mixture is almost half in quantity, so we will add corn flour mixture into it, ensuring that no lumps are formed. So the trick is, when you add corn flour mixture, keep stirring it continuously because we are using corn flour as thickening agent. We need a little bit thicker consistency. We don't need the milky, runny consistency, and we don't want to make it like a proper paste either. So keep cooking it for 2 to 3 minutes and then turn the flame off, but keep stirring it until the mixture is cooled. Once it is cooled, we will transfer it into the ice cream mold nicely, gently, making sure it is not spilling out. So once it is done, we are going to freeze it for good 5 to 8 hours or overnight. I would prefer overnight so that the ice cream is properly firmly formed. Now let's make the chocolate coating. We are taking 4 bars of dairy milk. You can use any cooking chocolate, but at this time we have only dairy milk available. So we thought, why not experiment with dairy milk? Dairy milk 4 bars, which are 110 grams each. So cut it into small pieces and melt it. We are going to melt it using the double boiling method. So the double boiling method is, you can boil some water in a saucepan, turn off the flame and put the chocolate ball on top of it, making sure the water is not touching to the ball. Let's melt the chocolate, and once it is melted, transfer it to any white mug, glass or beaker you have, which should be a little bit bigger in size than your ice cream. Let's take the ice cream out of the freezer. You can see it is properly settled. So the fun part is going to begin. Dip the ice cream into the chocolate, making sure that the ice cream is completely covered with chocolate, and there you go. Hold it for a moment and let the chocolate settle. Your Choco Bar ice cream is ready to eat. Enjoy it to beat the heat. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you get notified for our next video. Thank you.